Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to place your products in Shopify. If you have one product or if you have more than one product, but it's the same category. So if you have, say, one shirt with several different colors, but it's the same design, you know what I'm saying? So let's get started with this. So first, we're gonna go to products. We're gonna go to add new product, the title of the product, the description of the product, right? So let's start by adding a file. We're gonna do this hoodie today. So once you do the hoodie, right? Put how much your hoodie gonna be for. You can put how much the total cost, meaning like how much you paying for the hoodie, how much you paying for the screen, how much you paying for everything you decide you need to put in for the cost of the item. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And then this will be filled out when you fill out that. Just put save. Oh yeah, I forgot I still have to put save. See, now it's ready to go. See, all you have to do now is just back out of it because it's ready. Now it should pop up right there. And then now I'm gonna show you how to do multiple t-shirts or multiple hoodies or whatever you're selling, and get multiple variations on one page. So let's go to this one right here. So if you just go to my Shopify store, right? And we should go to the store, go to the catalog, and see how we have different things. But we want to say, hey, okay, I like this shirt, but I want it a different color. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this today, and it comes up with the right shirt. You know what I'm saying? We need to do it right there. It comes up with the right shirt. You know what I'm saying? The right sizes. So how we do that is add product. First thing I'll do is we're gonna add a file. So we're gonna select what we're trying to add. I'm gonna do this one. Nope. Shift. If it's more than one, shift, click, choose. Okay, so we got that in here, right? So this part, you should know how to do the title and all this stuff right here. So I'm just gonna show you how to get each one of these colors into their respective places. So we're going all the way to the bottom. It has multi. So we need to add colors, right? So the first thing you do is you gotta do the sizes. On my clothing line, we have mediums to X to 3X. So you go M, comma, XL, comma. You can either do 2XL, comma. Since we already started that, let's do 3XL, comma. Right? Well, I feel like I'm missing one. Oh yeah, an L, comma. All right. Now we'll go to our colors. Excuse me, I forget what colors I'll be having, so we can just look right here. And what shirt is this? This is the multicolor with the black print on it, right? So we can't use black. Red. Can't see with the microphone in my way. Comma. Royal. Comma. White. Comma. Yeah, I don't know who's gonna do the army or the ad, but I might end up going back and change that anyway. Comma, right? So, see how it got all that for you. So now we need to go back and tell how much it's gonna be. I sell my shirts for $24.99. Now I should. Oh yeah. This is the. I don't know what's going on today. Gang gang shirt. Gang gang. Okay, hold on. T, right? I'll come back to that later. So, one like that, right? Then we're gonna save it. So it's gonna bring it back. Anyway, so we're gonna bring you back. Now we have to go in and add the shirt to the color. And the way you do that is just let it do what it's doing. So get the red one. Wow. Even though I don't think that's the royal blue shirt, but we're gonna go back and change it later. Sorry, I'm waiting to finish my rap. I'm not gonna make you watch me do all this, so I'm gonna speed past this part, and I'll be back. Okay, so there you have it. Next, I'm gonna come back to this later in the description. Save it. Product is saved. Now let's go to our product. So what I'm doing is I'm replacing these with these. I'm placing these with these. This is when I was with Shopify, and now I'm not using Shopify no more. I'm doing it on my own. I have to do this. So yeah. So now I can just click that, and we're gonna delete this. And that's it. Just takes a minute to update. So I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more products. Now I'm gonna show you another way to do it, right? Excuse me. Another way to do it faster than what I showed you earlier is to just, okay, so I wanna do the red shirt. So let's click on the red, get all your red shirts, right? You're gonna go add images, red shirt. Wow. So now you got all your reds in there. That just that fast, right? Um, so let's do that one more time. Show you one more time. Oh, I didn't get that. Oh, I did. Uh-huh. Wow. Right. More. Add images. That's the royal. Just that easy. Now our shirt's in there. Save it. So you have your title, you have the description, you have all your shirts labeled, prices on them. You're ready to go. So when you're ready to launch this on your store, you just activate it.